You want to know how I achieved this vibrant color egusi melon soup without a single drop of palm oil? Watch this video to the end. Okay, so in a clean pot, add water and onion, bring that to a boil, and then proceed to add your grinded egusi. So be careful not to overmix that so you can achieve that lumpy egusi. So it's now time for us to make our color, yes, in place of palm oil. So after blending that, I'll add into the egusi and then add in bitter leaf, washed bitter leaf. Now at this point, I'll add in my seasoning cube and salt, and then stockfish and my protein. Yeah, I used lamb meat and that was grilled. So I'll just give that a quick stir and then cover and allow it to cook. Now at this point, I'll just mix that together, and then I'll add crayfish powder and smoked mackerel fish. Now at this point, I introduced my stock water. Then lastly, I added pumpkin leaf to this, covered that, and voila, our egusi soup is ready. No single drop of palm oil. And this is for my weight loss buddies, those people trying to manage weight. This is an inspo for you. You can use bell peppers, yes, bell pepper and paprika to achieve that color, and no one will know, no one can tell. Thank you so much for watching.